Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Fishing with Nordbye. Out here, first trip with the new boat today. I feel like a little kid. I think it's way sharper than the Stratus was. I'm excited. So we're gonna get out here and run it today and do some fishing. I'm excited. Get on some bass. You're gonna see the first fish catches out of the new boat today. So we're gonna take it out. We're dumping in here at Seabold on Lake Guntersville. Fishing with Chris Jewett. He's out here. It's a good old Saturday morning. So we're gonna go try and catch them. We're gonna fish probably till about lunch. And then we gotta take off the water. We gotta go move some benches at the wedding venue. We gotta mow around. And we got a wedding tomorrow, Sunday, at the venue. So forgot to snug down my ram mount. There it is. Snug that guy down before we launch here. And check it out. Got the strap unhooked. Got to put the plug in. And I think we're all good to go. I'm super excited. I'm like a kid in a candy store. Let's go get them, guys. I forgot to say, if we catch one over 5 today, you gotta smash that thumbs up button for me. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. But we're gonna go out there after the big ones today. Let's go. We're back in action. We got off the water right after you saw us catch that last one to work on a couple things on the boat we were wanting to. Now we're gonna fish a little bit more. Throw this deep crank around. Got new seats put in the boat, new console. Check that out. You got a crankbait you want? Or you want one? You good, Chris?
I think so.
All right.
Couldn't find the one I want.
I'm gonna throw this 6XD around a little bit. We're 19 foot. Oh, you unplugged me. That's what happened. I was like, what is going on?
What next?
What next? Yes. Oh no.
That's what's next.
First cast with the new reel. Ah!
What's the rule of thumb? Don't wing it.
Keep your thumb on. Oh, I did too. Oh man, that one's done. Gosh darn it. Oh my gosh.
Slow down, Nordbye.
Oh,
Slow down.
it's right there. The fish are right there, guys. There's one. Hey, my first fish out of the boat. Yeah, all you needed to do was call me, babe. My first fish out of the boat. It's on my sidewinder too.
That's awesome.
Yeah, little 16 incher. Not bad, not bad. Check that out, guys. All right, on the phone with my wife. Love it. Okay, going back. See you, buddy. Got one? There you go, Chris. Oh, that's a good one. Not too bad.
Bait, baby. My bait.
Yeah. Munched it. Nice. About a 2 1/4. Yeah. Good one. Gonna make me pick up my Texas rig again. That's awesome. The Minnesota bait.
Yeah, that's right. It made a believer out of me, that last bit, because that guy had me on no fish.
Really?
And I mean, I was...
All right, I'll put that reel up. We got us out another reel. It's new too. Actually, I don't know if this one is new. No, this one's not new. This is the one I thought I had in my hand. It's an 8XD. Feeling it?
Bouncing along.
Yeah?
Strange. Right. That's good.
You got one? There you go. Nice. Whitey. Decent whitey. I got one. We're doubled up. Doubled up. Yours is way bigger than this one. Easy release. We could take those home and flay them. Nice. I was just setting up my side imaging to show me what I'm looking at since my live scope's not hooked up. Jeez.
Stop and go action.
You got one? Chris is hooked up and we're getting hit by these party wakes. Wow, I'm about to fall off. There you go. Nice. Another one. That's two apiece. Oh, that's how I'm following me up. Let me just spot lock us. Ha!
You guys are the old school way.
I know. I don't miss these days.
Oh, my back.
Oh gosh.
No way to act. Look at that.
Pliers without the bottom jaw. You're gonna hook yourself now. Oh! I missed one.
I'm trying to. He's gonna get up here in a second. I'll keep letting it flow.
Yeah?
Just bust my pole and
Yeah, you might bust your
set a
pole.
hook in me and everything else before it's all said and done.
Yeah.
Get out of here.
Good one though. There's one. And another one. Thanks, buddy. Catch a few more of these, we'll go look for some real ones. I was hoping there's some real ones mixed in with these. Smoked again, guys. Looking for them big old large heads feeding on these. See ya.
That lake right next to where I live. 11 a row at one point.
Wow. They're loaded under us right now. Yep. There he is. Oh, see the one with him?
Yeah. Oh, flash.
That's a little better one. I flay these up sometimes. They're pretty good.
Yeah.
You just gotta cut the. I cut a little slice of red meat down the middle. It goes right down the middle off the back of the fillet. You cut that off, they're just like crappie. They're good. And you don't have to cut it off. It just depends how you're cooking them. Sometimes you don't even taste it. Or you can soak them in like 7-Up or milk, and you don't have to do that. There's one. Yep. Oh, spit it right there. There he is. Normally they're fatter than these little ones. There's some giant white bass in here. All right, I gotta cast it. And this is what happens all year ledge fishing. I mean, they may or may not know the spot, but guys will just idle up next to you. They see you set the hook on something the whole year, and then they just mark it.
Walleye guys will pull up here, bump your boat.
Yeah.
Oh, they're ridiculous.
Gosh.
That's not an exaggeration.
Wow. Then they realize you're bass fishing.
Yeah, that's what really turns them off with me. They get up there, they all excited. I even had one guy who's like, "Are you bass fishing?" I'm like, yeah. Yeah.
That's what he said.
Yeah.
You have a walleye boat too, don't you?
I got cancer. They don't know what to think about it.
Yeah, they don't know.
What is that? There one guy said, "Are you a professional duck hunter?"
That's funny. All right, let's go find some bass. Those are fun for a little bit.
Put on a spinning rod, light action.
Yes, yes, that's really fun. We could load up here.
It's hard to even tell you got one on sometimes.
I know it. All right, time to test out the oyster. This thing's gonna pull. Oh my gosh, I did it again, Chris. Woo. Slow down. Got right next to another full one. That cast right there should.
I finally got some good music.
Yeah.
Shots like that.
Go. Yes, my first ledge bass of the year on Guntersville. Let's go. All right, it's a baby. It's a baby. So guys, you missed like all the spring fishing on my channel. Last year we did bed fishing videos. I even dropped the camera on a bed and you guys saw him eat it. If you haven't, go watch that video. Look up bed fishing with Nordbye. You can see that. But fish are already out deep. Already out deep. Some of them. There's a lot of shallow. 10XD on the oyster.
The old oyster.
They say to fish mussel beds. I'm just throwing an oyster. Oh, I got smoked. All right. Doesn't feel very big, but he hit it going like the opposite way. Woo! He's coming in. I think it's harder to reel in the crankbait than this fish. It's a wallhead. I got the guy from Minnesota in the boat. I catch you a walleye. Oh, you brought the walleye luck, Chris. This is only the second walleye I've caught here on Guntersville. It's probably a sauger. You guys tell me, what do you think? Walleye or sauger? Do you know, Chris?
It's a walleye.
It's a walleye? Minnesota guy says it's a walleye. Okay.
Mind us, we're just walleye fishing.
We're
Boys.
just walleye fishing.
Rub it into my Minnesota boys. They can't catch them yet. They're keeping.
I know. This is probably a keeper.
Yeah.
15-incher.
Trash fish like that, they
Look at
probably
them
want you to
teeth.
get them out of the lake.
I know. Walter. Got us a Walter. You gotta cast where they're at to catch them. If I could spot lock us, it'd be the same
I was gonna
catch.
say, boat
But-
captain just keeps spinning us in circles for some reason.
I know it. It's been about 3 years.
I feel like we should be throwing Smithwick Rogues and old level wines.
That walleye smoked the 10. There's one. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's heavier. Okay.
I guess they want some movement.
Oh, we get the net, Chris.
No, I can't.
Please?
I can't get to it.
Woohoo! Yes. Oh, look at that net compartment. That's awesome. This is a good one right here. That's a
See
ledge
if I
bass.
can't knock it off.
Oh, Guntersville ledge bass. Oh, he's going deep. He's going deep. Come on. Yes. Now that is a Guntersville ledge bass. Yes. Woo!
Yeah, one more shaky.
All right, guys. Chris is not throwing that shaky head anymore. After watch. Oh, don't hook me, fish. 6-pounder. Oh my gosh. This fish is so fat.
One of these.
No, I got it. This fish is so fat. Look at the belly on that thing. That is so fat. 6-pounder. 10XD. Spawned out. Tail's all flat. Already healed up. That's crazy. That's a good fish. That is my first big bass in the new boat. I'm so excited right now. We're going to release this fish now. All right. See, buddy. Look at him go. Oh, he's gonna come up and jump. There he goes. Back down to the deeps. Back down to the deeps. So this camera angle right here is it's the only camera angle I have rolling right now because my chest camera is the one you're looking at. My third-person camera fell in the lake. So that happened last week, and I got another one on the way, but that's the only camera angle we got right now. And you Guntersville people watching, they're biting on the ledges, but this is also why the camera's right there, because a lot of Guntersville people are watching. Here we go. There's one. Good one. Oh my gosh, this is a good one. Oh, I got a giant, Chris. Oh, come on. Oh, he's coming up. Stay down, stay down. Oh. Yes, come on, buddy. Either I got him hooked in the side or he's a giant. Here he comes. Oh, I got him hooked in the side and he's a giant. Oh, look at that bug eye. Wow, I hooked him right in the top. He swiped at it, missed it. That's awesome. That is awesome right there. Second ledge of the day. Yes, they're out here, Chris. Give me some. Whew. Thanks for the net. We gotta get you a ledge bass.
Yeah, we'll get one.
Look at that. 4. All right, guys. Another one bites the dust. That's so exciting. On oyster.
I don't think I'm getting that.
I'm gonna link this crankbait below. You guys can go check it out. It's my new favorite. Just threw it today.
True.
Yeah.
Got a lot of fish. I go fishing with them. I put on something else and do fine.
Well, hopefully you get them on that. We're gonna set you a reel up tonight with 15-pound test on one of my deep cranking rods, 10XD rods, and you can wear them out. How about that?
I got the rods and the reels.
You got the rod?
Yeah.
All right. Chris is a lefty. He can't just grab my reels. He reels with his left hand.
I can do it with a shirt. I feel very comfortable.
Yeah. Said he's amphibious. So I'm pulling out my live scope transducer that went through the boat crash to see if it's gonna work. I didn't mount my live scope yet because I don't think it's gonna work. Look at that nick. That's a bad nick. See the metal in both of them, but we gotta try it out. So I hooked up my black box already. We're going to plug this in, stick it in the water, and just see if my graph will read it up there while I'm holding it. Here we go, guys, the moment of truth. Got our graph hooked up here. Yes, Chris, it's working. Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm so pumped right now. Look at that. Let's see if we see the bass. They're suspended. And there's a couple on the bottom. Straight that way. All right, I'm putting it up. I'm in here going through footage and I realized I forgot to shoot an outro to this video. The first boat outing, that was so exciting, getting out there for the first time, testing the boat out. And we caught a couple fish. Chris caught the first one. I caught my first one out of the new boat on the Sidewinder. And then we got off the lake. There are a few things we wanted to tweak on the boat. We wanted to install the live scope graph. We wanted to, I blew a couple fuses because I hooked a couple wires up wrong. So we wanted to get off the lake and take care of that. But the first outing on a new boat was a success, a lot of fun. You guys are gonna get to see a lot of videos in the new BASSCAT. So it's a 2007. Like I said, it's 20.5 foot. It's got a 250 Merc Optimax, same Optimax as my last one, just 50 horsepower more and a year older. So a lot of fun out there. It's gonna be some awesome videos coming out. So I know you guys been asking. That's a little update, but be on the lookout. We got some fun videos coming out next. We'll catch you guys next time here on Fishing with Nordbye.